So hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So in the earlier video, I have shown you two amazing tricks to screenshot on Snapchat secretly, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best way to restore your lost streaks on Snapchat. It's so simple and easy guys. So follow this video till the end. So if you're watching this trick for the first time, well that's awesome. Even if you watch this trick in another video, follow up till the end because I'm gonna give you some super extra tips and also personal guidance if you need it. So with no more lag, let's begin. So, bringing back your lost streak is not possible through the Snapchat app guys. So for that you need to use the browser in your phone or PC. For better visibility I am showing through PC. You can also follow the same process from your mobile. So step number 1. Just go to the description box of this video and copy the link I have given. And paste the same link on your browser or simply type support.snapchat.com and enter. So after the URL loads, this page appears on your screen. So just scroll down a bit and you will be finding an option related to Snapstreaks. So simply tap on it and it redirects you to another page. So you will be finding a bunch of information about Snapstreaks here. So keep scrolling to the end of the page, you will be finding a line saying, if you feel there was an error, please let us know. So here click on the word let us know and it lands you in a support page. So from here, stay attentive guys and watch this video carefully. So here on contact us page, you will be shown some options. Ignore all the options guys and choose only the option mentioning my Snapstreaks have disappeared. So simply select the option called my Snapstreaks have disappeared, and from here it's so important to mention your details correctly to restore your lost Snapstreaks guys. So first coming to the username column. So here you need to enter your Snapchat user ID. So you can find your Snapchat user ID on profile section in Snapchat app. So enter your Snapchat username here. And in the second column, you need to enter your email address with which you have created your Snapchat account. So if you haven't registered on Snapchat using email, no issues. Just leave the column empty. And guys, now coming to the third column. So here you need to enter your mobile number including your country code with which you have created your Snapchat account. And in the fourth column, you need to enter your device brand, model, series name, etc. So that means which company phone are you using for your Snapchat and its model name. So just for example, I am entering iPhone 12 Pro Max. So now coming to the fifth row, it's very important here guys. So here in the fifth row, you need to enter your friend's username with whom you lost your Snapstreaks with. So check your friend username through his profile from Snapchat app and enter it here correctly. So for example, I lost my Snapstreaks with one of my friend and I enter his username in this row to restore our streaks back. And after entering your friend's username here, in the next row you need to submit the date, that is from when this issue started with you. That means on which date you lost your Snapstreaks with your friend. So you can enter that here in two formats guys. So if you lost your streak yesterday and you are filling this form today, just type yesterday. Or you can simply enter the date on which you lost your Snapstreaks disappeared. Or simply you can enter the date on which your Snapstreaks disappeared. And coming to the sixth row, you need to enter the number of days of Snapstreaks you lost with your friend before your Snapstreaks got expired. So I suggest you to be genuine here and enter your real streak number. So for example, if you lost 100 days of streak, enter 100. If you lost 150 days of streak, enter 150. So be genuine because it goes for a human verification guys. If the customer support team came to know that you are lying, sometimes they might not help you. So better be genuine. So for example, I am entering 150 days. So in the next row, you will be asked that did you see the timer icon before expiring of your Snapstreaks? So basically few hours before of your Snapstreaks expiring, you will be shown a timer icon. But sometimes, not sometimes, for me many times streaks got expired without any indication of the timer icon. So I strongly suggest you to opt for the no option on the given options. So select no and simply scroll down. So after a long process, coming to the final row. So here you got a chance to explain yourself to the support team. So as I told you earlier, this form goes for a human verification. So here explain them everything about what might went wrong with your app or network or etc. So explain them with the reasonable issue which you faced with the app during streaks. So in the beginning of the video I mentioned about the extra tips, right? So let's begin about that. So here is the tip 1. So my personal tip 1 is, please don't leave this column blank or empty. So explain them something regarding your expired streaks. So they read this and they definitely might help you. So don't leave this column blank at all. And the second tip is very important guys, that is always be polite. So as I told earlier, this is not a bot verification. There are humans like you and me reading the issues you send. So I suggest you very strongly to not use any type of foul language. So some people might be in a high frustration that they lost their streaks. But message them politely and be cool. In most of the cases they will be helping you guys. But be polite. So basically I start my conversation with, hey Snapchat team, and I will just type the matter and mention a thank you note and send it. So in the beginning of the video I promised a personal guidance, right? So if you face any type of difficulty in sending the form, just message me on Instagram. Our ID will be in the description. So simply DM me on Instagram and I will send you the matter. So I hope this video helped you. So request you to please like, share, comment and subscribe to the page to show your support. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.